been called the man of 10,000 sound effects. He's got this ability to make realistic sounds using only his voice.
And you know what? He's best known for his roles in 7
Oh my God!
Police Academy
Stop
films.
looking at me.
And he's appearing tomorrow night on stage at the Irving Theater.
Don't touch.
Sorry.
We're so excited to have Michael Winslow right here in the studio.
What up, y'all? Good to see you. May I place this microphone here for the moment?
Absolutely.
Thanks.
You know what I love about you? You never know who you're going to give us, but I love them all.
And I'm not
That's
sure
right.
who I am either. Hey, time flies when you're having none.
You know what?
man.
You're definitely a force to be reckoned with. I mean,
Thank
you
you.
are a master of sound effects. I was just telling you, my little girl dream was always to be able to do all these different voices. So having you here right now, honey, I just want to
Thank you.
hear it all.
Yes, I'm a Foley stage. That's what I do. I provide whole soundtracks for television, movies, whatever you want.
It's incredible. Have you been doing this your whole life, like since you were a kid?
Oh, absolutely. And people in the sound department, they hate me already.
Yeah.
They're like, wait. No.
Oh, I hate him.
Technical difficulties.
Yes, of course. Hang on a second.
Oh, yes. You're doing up Minnie McKenzie.
Stylish girl.
Oh, I
So
love
fun.
this.
Okay, so what can we expect from like seeing you live on stage for those of us who have never experienced it before?
Well, it's a new design of the show because I've
Okay.
been doing strange stuff anyway since
Right.
19 swim around there. But my job is to help everyone forget about the rent for an hour. So
love that.
there'll be a lot of music. There'll be some improv. There'll be some movie clips. There'll be some soundtrack remixes of what we were talking about,
Right.
and there'll be some rear screen stuff, and there'll be maybe a little Fleetwood mac and cheese. There's gonna be a little something. All you Led Zeppelin fans, we got something for you.
Right.
Yeah. And for all you hip hop folks, I'm ready for y'all.
I love that. You know what? Whenever I laugh, I always feel like I lose weight because you do when you laugh,
You do.
right?
It burns calories.
It burns calories. And whenever, especially throughout the pandemic, you know, people were just dying to laugh. And you
Yes.
have been making people laugh.
Glad-
Really,
thank you.
We need
and
you.
you've really been
That
trying
little
to do
screen
that.
has saved our lives.
Absolutely,
I mean,
yeah.
that little screen, this little. For those of you with dial-up, that little screen basically is the reinvention of the golden age of television because that was this. It's almost like black and white TV becoming color.
Right.
This little screen was our window to the world. So that little screen is the golden age of television, all reborn again.
It's incredible. Now you said accents are hot right now
Oh,
in the
yeah.
biz.
Oh yeah, I'm Australian. Good eye. Good eye, love. How you going?
She's been looking for an
I've been
Australian
looking for an
mate.
Australian mate.
Oh, fair dinkum. All right. All right, there's your didgeridoo. Thank you.
That's really good.
And
That's really
also,
good.
Australia's. Practice your noises.
Practice your noises.
Because everybody can do this. We all have a skill set. Every single person has a skill set. They don't know it's a talent. Just remember, not in front of animals.
Not eating the edibles.
When did you find out you could do this? Like, when did you find out that you had this superpower?
Well, that's always.
always knew.
I didn't have a lot of friends because it was an Air Force family, so every 2 years we had to move. So, you are your own soundtrack.
You are your own
Ooh,
soundtrack.
that's a
Put that on a
t-shirt.
t-shirt.
We got, like, t-shirts
How
around
long
here.
does it take you to master something? When you hear something and you want to mimic it?
Something easy. All right, I'll give you an example.
'Kay.
Repeat after me. Right? It's a two-part sound.
Wow, I can't do
French
that.
wine. You just did a bottle of wine.
I am the one who loves the wine on the show.
She just did a bottle of cork, so that's two.
See, we always have
Yeah.
iPhones ringing around here
That's right, we do.
all the time.
And then when the phone goes, I hate that.
Hey, and you're like, who didn't turn it
Put
on?
it in my pocket.
I just like want you to be my best friend. You literally.
Voiceovers. That's what you should do because you got a great voice. You got great voices. Just play with accents.
Yeah.
Just play with them. I'll give you one.
Okay.
Hello.
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 Quite good.
Thanks, darling.
Yeah, so cool. Say,
You see that then? You see what she just did? She freaked me out then.
See, you just did it. So that's four noises already. You just
Wow,
did.
I can make 4 noises.
And 3 for you. Already
Okay.
done. See?
Yes,
Nice.
absolutely.
Practice.
Cool, cool.
Michael, I just really appreciate you so
Lilo and Stitch.
Oh, man.
Lilo and Stitch. Wow. Yeah. See, there's talent on this station.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, my
Our
goodness.
moms and dads and family think so. So, yeah,
Absolutely. Well, I
they're the
agree.
I
ones.
wish we could keep you, but of course we can't because we have to share you with all the rest of Indiana. Michael Winslow is appearing tomorrow night at the Irving Theater. 8 p.m. tickets
gonna be
are
hot.
going really fast, okay? Don't miss it, honey, because guess what? You are in for a treat, I'm telling you.
Can you make a sound of a high five rather than me giving you one?
Oh, one more time.
Okay.
Slow motion.
That was the best.
Oh,
And sing.
I feel like Robert Plant. Hey, a new hit song.
Hey! Oh, man, we appreciate you so much. You guys are in for a treat. Make sure you check out his show.
Yeah, come have some fun. Let's forget about the rent for an hour. Come have some fun.
Come have some fun. You know who always has fun? Tara Hastings.
Oh, hey,
Tara
Tara.
dies.
Oh,
What's
Tara,
going
she does
on?
weather.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh God, she's just bloody lovely.
She is.
Very much. Thank you very much.